Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever asked yourself who you really are and which influences have brought you to be the person you are today? In this video, we will show you 5 questions you can ask yourself in order to get to know yourself better. Don't miss out the other 4 videos of this mini-series of 5 episodes, in order to get to know yourself better step by step. Who am I? Has a whopping 1,001 possible responses. Although it seems like a simple question, the answer is complex, not the least of which is the fact that there is no singular you. Depending on who is asking and how in-depth you want to go, your own response will probably vary. In an interview or on a date, the response to the question, "Who am I?" will usually be more concrete and less abstract. On another hand, we get more perceptive the more we understand about ourselves. As Aristotle famously remarked, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. These, "Who am I?" example answers can help you explore your true self and get to know yourself better. 21. What am I bad at? Every person is guaranteed to have both strengths and weaknesses, just as every yin has a yang. It's tempting to give up on the things we believe we aren't very good at right away. However, your identity may begin to be defined by your abilities if you focus only on what you are good at. 22. What are my beliefs about myself? Numerous factors in your beliefs affect your reality. You have power because of who you think you are. Your behavior is fundamentally shaped by your beliefs. 23. What are my past hurts and pains? Our past frequently has an impact on the decisions we make for ourselves. When making wise decisions, we could utilize our pain as a barometer for the things we don't want in our lives. However, when reflection devolves into obsessing over unpleasant memories, we risk being stuck and coming to define ourselves by the horrible things that have happened to us. 24. What are my habits? Gretchen Rubin, a specialist in happiness and an author, claims that your identity is shaped by your habits. Changing them entails altering an essential aspect of our identity. Our lives' invisible structure is made up of our habits. Our habits impact our existence and our future in both positive and negative ways because we repeat around 40% of our behavior on a daily basis. 25. What do I envy? Do you wish you could boast, "I am a world traveler, I am fluent in French," or "I am an excellent cook"? Our desires are greatly influenced by the qualities we like in others and wish we possessed or possessed ourselves. They support our goal setting. Spiritual response to "Who am I?" We've seen how challenging it is psychologically to respond to the question, "Who am I?" especially given that our identity is a dynamic process rather than a fixed point. However, who am I is a significant issue on a par with, is there a God? And, what is the purpose of life? Most people around the world practice some type of spirituality. Because of this, many people find that the question requires a response that is both psychological and spiritual. We hope that you liked our video and wish you all the best. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.